In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo here on the Ryden 45k SMG in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and get into the gunsmith of the Ryden 45k and go into the customize tab and into this camo section, specifically into the multiplayer tab. Within here, you're going to see all of the challenges that you need to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to the Arclight camo. Now, the prerequisite in order to get Arclight is going to be Shattered Gold here on the Ryden 45k, which I have a full guide breaking down all of these steps and the strategy to get every single one of these camos, so make sure to check that out. But on top of that, you are going to need to get Shattered Gold on 6 SMGs total here in Black Ops 7. Now, with the game just coming out, there is only 6 SMGs in the game. In the future, there's going to be more. You only need to get Shattered Gold on 6 of those SMGs. So if some are easier in the future, definitely prioritize those instead of the ones that are in the game right now. Nonetheless, get Shattered Gold on 6 SMGs, and then you could come back here and get 10 double kills or better with the Ryden 45k, which is the challenge in order to unlock Arclight. Now, this challenge is actually pretty easy to go ahead and knock out. What I would recommend doing is actually hopping on hardpoint specifically, just because you're going to have people flowing in and out of the hardpoint pretty consistently, and actually stay outside of the hardpoint, especially on smaller maps. This is particularly helpful on smaller maps, but essentially sit outside of the hardpoint just a little bit as people are coming in, go ahead and spray them and get 2 double kills. You're going to have to wait for 2 of them, and you got to kill them pretty quick in succession in order to knock this one out. But overall, this is just 20 kills. You could probably knock this out in 1 to 2 games max and get yourself this pretty awesome Arclight camo, aka the diamond camo here in this game. If you do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.